Hello, Melissa Fago, Creative Memories Advisor from Suffolk, Virginia here, and I have a box opening today. One of my favorite things to do is to show you some of the new stuff that has just come in. So we are going to go right to that. So look at this loveliness. So we have had a binder before, and this is an updated version. It's called Creative Inspiration Binder, and it comes with these lovely tabs so that you can organize your binder, your ideas. This is like your idea book from the old school, but it also comes with some stickers if you wanted to put different labels on top of these. And then what you can get, and I've already organized it to show you, is it comes with September of last year through March of this year's project recipes. So they come nicely printed, 3-hole punched to go right in your binder. How wonderful is that? And then you also get, let's see, I put this one in here. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, I like it. It fixed itself. But you also get the virtual crop sketches from that same time frame. So I love, love, love this. It's really great to put all your ideas in, and then you can carry your binder around. And I just love our ideas. So lots of fun with sketches there. And then I want to talk about that with this. I was thinking I needed to move all my stuff out of the way. We have project guidebooks and project playbooks. And in either one of those, it shows you the pieces of paper to cut out. And then when you go into the actual layout, it shows you what pieces that you need for that layout. See how that says 1D, 1E, 1A, B, C, that kind of thing. You see that on all of them. And then it says 2. So what you have now, let's see, I was wondering if it says it. So this is even telling you here, which I love. And I think that this is going forward. It may not go back, but I think you can easily figure out on old ones. So this says that this piece is for 1, this piece is for 4, this piece is for 5, these pieces are for 2. Isn't that cool? So it tells you. Well, what we've come out with is a sorting mate. And it has a nice elastic band to hold it closed. And then can you see that it says project 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it expands, which is really cool. And just in case you need some support or want to be able to see your project numbers to put your papers in, I guess, easier. I haven't actually used it yet to know because it's so new. It's coming with these little tabs that you can slide in. So I'm going to try to show it to you. I think you can see here. See those 2 lines on there? And it goes right behind it. Let's see how fun and easy we can do this on screen. It's so new. Oh, I feel it. It's really squished together, so it is going to be tight. So I think you saw that. Like I was able to split this apart here and slide that right in. And you see that it's really easy. Just a little delicate because it's new. And you can leave those in or out. But the cool thing is, we're not even going to play with that, is that you can put those in there. So for your taller pieces, like if your piece was taller than this, then that way you would still know this was project number 1. And as you cut them, you can slide them in here. And like I said, it opens wide, but then it also would smush flat back for you to put your elastic band and hold everything in place to then come back if you don't finish all your projects at one time. I think it's great if you do other cutting for pages and you're getting ready for some things. It's really going to be quick and easy to put pieces in these little folders and then go back and grab them. So I love that. Really cute, really fun, very nice to keep everything together. All right, so now to the goody stuff. I wrapped my album kit to give as a wedding present because I got so excited to get it all cleaned up off my table. So we do have a perfect match album kit that came out, and you have your choice of 3 different albums, but also we have the perfect match collection. And this would be the buy it all bundle. So this one is Petal Scallop. Isn't that just gorgeous? I love this. I love, love, love this. This is Love Doves, and they're so cute. Just so cute. And then we have a matte pack. So I think we're going to love these. Here's to love, laughter, and happily ever after. And we have some beautiful embellishments and some epoxy stickers. So look how great these are. And you'll notice that it has very neutral colors. Here are the stickers. Let's do it this way first. So this is what's in each one. Ooh, I don't know what happened, but my camera is working way better today. And so this is what they look like. But you'll notice that they're very neutral so that you can take other papers that we have and you can put your wedding color with this and it'll coordinate lovely with it. And so we can, you know, reach as many people as possible. So let's make sure I didn't mess this up real quick. I don't have the little guide with me. Okay, I didn't. Yay. All right, so it comes with a Fast2Fab paper pack. And if you've loved our Fast2Fab albums in the past, now they're putting a few pieces in a pack so that you can incorporate them wherever you want in your album instead of having to have an entire album of this. So these are very pretty. Look, I'm showing it. It can be on the side, it can be on the top, it can be on the bottom. Very nice. As well as a designer paper pack. So very pretty, very wedding. Love it, love it, love it. And then like here, look how pretty that is. Just very elegant. And it does have a coordinating cardstock pack so that you can have these. It does have the greens and caramels and whites and avocados in there and beiges so that you can have some cardstock. So that is the buy it all bundle. If you buy the buy it all bundle, you get the project playbook for free. And this again is what I was showing you where it has 6. Let's see if this one has 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. It actually has 4. So there's 6 spots in your sorting mate, and this one only has 4. So it's nice, but it shows you how to cut these up. And this is using some of the products from the full thing. That's what a playbook does. And so you can get that for free with your collection. And we have more fun goodness. So I mentioned Fast2Fabs already. That's what I was making sure that I didn't think that mess that stack up. And we have 3 new Fast2Fab paper packs. And again, we're going more to the paper packs versus a full album. So this is a 12 sheet paper pack. So it would be $10. And the other one is a 6 sheet. So it's going to be $6. So look how pretty this one is. This one is to coordinate with On the Bright Side, and it's called Feeling Good. Look how pretty. Just isn't that gorgeous? And I think it's going to coordinate with a lot more. I think it's going to coordinate with our summer stuff. You know, there's lots that we've had come out lately that you're going to be able to use that with. It could be that one of these is your wedding color and it would coordinate with the perfect match. And then Natural Beginnings, so more neutrals here for you to add to. And here's the back just to show you. I love that notebook look. And then we also have Global Getaway. So some more Fast2Fab pages you can easily put down and then continue decorating with. So all of this lovely goodness just came out. And then I'm going to have another launch this coming week. So we've just got so much going on, so many good fun things that I can't wait to share them all with you. And if you haven't ordered these and there's some that you want, you can order on my website, creativememories.com/user/Melissa Fago, or you can send me your order if you're local to me and pick up your order from me at our next crop. And always look at all this goodness, and you want it all, you got to have it all. You can always join as an advisor and get a discount on your products, as well as help your friends complete albums and have fun with you. So let me know if you'd like any information on that, and if there's anything I can do to help you with your scrapbooking needs. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye. Ooh, bye.